To download the TurboTax application after buying from the Amazon. First, you want to open up your Amazon account on your website browser under Amazon.com using your PC or laptop. After that, go to the top right of your screen and click on Account and List, which will take you to this page. Then, tap on Digital Services and Device Support button right here. On here, click on Show More button at the bottom of your screen. Scroll down a bit until you see this Software and Game options, then click on that. After that, you may scroll down a bit, and you will see the TurboTax that you just bought before on Amazon. And to download it into your computer or Mac, you may click on PC or Mac download option right here. And then, if TurboTax asks you for the license code, enter this code located right here, which are your 16 digits license code. If you still have any question, just comment down below, and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.